Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Friday, July 8th, 2022. It is 6:14 and 0 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is LED solder session number 8. Today you'll be soldering the 220 and 10 microfarad electrolytic capacitors and 104 picofarad ceramic disc capacitors and 3.5 millimeter power plug and potentiometer. So let's hop to it here. Well, this was another delicate operation. I enjoyed the exercise, and it was good practice. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.